Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting immediately. Grab a flashlight and set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes per room because speed prevents backtracking. Start at the last place you used magnification, reading corner, hobby table, or toolbox, and scan surfaces from eye level down. Once done, open drawers and lift papers systematically. Make quick piles labeled, check, discard later. Make sure to retrace your last 24 hours of activity, since memory-based cues often reveal the missing item. You continue with a deliberate grid search. Divide each room into half-meter sections and clear items from one section before moving on because clutter hides small tools. Once done with visible surfaces, check fabric folds, pockets, and bags by turning them inside out. Magnets won't help, so feel for weight and shape. Use a low-angle light to catch glass edges and reflections. Make sure to look under furniture and inside appliance cavities, and keep found items in a dedicated, visible spot. You finish by consolidating. Gather all candidate items, clean lenses, and inspect for chips to confirm which is the magnifying glass. Once done, search overlooked hotspots like couch cushions, laundry, and the car glove box. Make sure to open boxes and containers where small items gather. If still missing, expand outward neighboring rooms, work bag, or ask household members to check their areas. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing turns up, mentally replay the last 30 minutes step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.